Hello, welcome back to Champion Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute keychain. It is great for a beginner learning the double crochet stitch. You can, when you make this, you can either have it double-sided, different colors, or you can make it the same color with a smiley face or a frowny face. What you'll need for this is a crochet hook. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook, some yarn, a darning needle, some scissors, and a keychain. Now we're going to make a magic ring. Your two fingers are going to go around. This will be the first part of the X, and this the first part of the X, you're going to go under it. Second part of the X, you're going to grab that, and then you're going to twist it. You're basically just twisting that. And then go to the second part of the X. Grab it, and you're going to push this first one over the second one. Then remember to take this yarn out. You don't want this yarn to be in there, you want it to be out. Now, we're going to go to the second part of the magic ring. And go in through both of them, not one, both of the yarn around. And you're going to grab the yarn from the ball, go through. So grab, go around, go through. Grab the yarn, go around, go through. I've done that 3 times. So I need to be doing it 9 more times. In total, you should have 12 of these. So now we have 12 here. And we're going to pull with this loop to close off the magic ring. You chain 3. You're going to wrap the yarn around. And you're going to go through that hole. And then you're going to grab that yarn and go through one of the loops, not all of the loops. And then now you have 3 loops on your hook. So then now you're going to go through all of them but 2. Now you have 2 loops on your chain, on your hook, and then you're going to go through all of them. Now you're going to do that in each of the stitch 2 times. And now you don't need to chain it because you already have it in there. So it's in both of them. Grab. Each time remember to wrap the yarn around. Go into the stitch. Do that all the way around. Okay, so now we have finished doing a double crochet in each stitch. So you're going to go, see how there's a loop right here? You're going to go in through that, and then you're going to slip stitch. Grab that yarn, and then you're going to go through. And then go through both of them. Now you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, okay. And then you're going to do a double crochet in every other stitch. So in this first stitch, you're going to do 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Okay, so now you finished it. You're going to do a slip stitch into here. That yarn, go through both, and you're going to chain 1, cut your yarn, and then you're going to pull through. Now this next step is really important. You're going to make another one of these, but you need to make sure that both of these both of your little circles are the same number of double crochet. Just going to keep this still long. I'm going to use this to sew both of them together. Take thread your needle. So you should probably weave in your ends too, or you can leave that to the last part. Match them up perfectly. See how there's a knot right here? Go right underneath it. And pull this through. You're going to be going next stitch. Then you're going to be going the keychain, and it looks amazing. If you wonder how I added the keychain, I have a video. So please go check that video out. To add this keychain, it's actually really sturdy, and it's amazing, and it's really sturdy, and it won't fall off. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below for any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.